It's George from Sloth Overlanding with another 5-minute flash film. Today I'm going to talk about how to fix the ever-present check engine light. Life with an Xterra is accompanied with the ever-present check engine light. Some YouTubers have videos on how to disable or cover up the check engine light so that they don't see it. This involves either taking some electrical tape and covering it up or disassembling the instrument cluster and then disabling or covering up the light. I have a much better solution. Doesn't require disassembling the dashboard and is very quick to implement. So let's get to it.
Here you can see my check engine light is on, and now it's off. Thanks for watching.